In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to easily download and install HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126a printer driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here, type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please wait until a best match would appear, and once it's here, please click on Open to continue. So in a few moments, you would be able to bring up the Google Chrome browser window. All you need to do is to wait until everything are set before we continue. So from here, please navigate to the search bar and type for HP space laser jet space pro space MFP space M126a printer. Once you're done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you can see it here, the first result, click on it, which is under the support.hp.com, which is an official website for HP. All you need to do is you need to wait until this would kind of window would appear in the screen the moment you click on enter. So click on this one to just have to scroll down and eventually you would be able to see the driver product installation. And next to it, you can see there an attachment file where you can download this specific driver. All you need to do is you need to click on this download option to start on the downloading progress. Okay, so process. So check the progress here, click on this download icon at the upper right side of the screen and wait until this would be finished. Okay, so the speed of this one would be depend on the network or the Wi-Fi connection that you are connecting as of the moment. So please wait until this would be completed before we continue to the installation. Once done, please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click. Okay, go with the cut icon, close the window, as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. So once we have pasted it, you can double tap to unzip the file or you can simply make a right click and proceed to the WinRAR tool where you can use to extract it. So here, click on extract to and eventually it will now start on the extraction. Please wait until it would be done. So once a new file folder has been extracted, you need to navigate to the File Explorer to check if it's being placed at the desktop. So by that, please navigate to the left pane and click on Desktop, and it will showing up here. So by that, you can now close the window. Okay, please close it. So we just have to wait for some time since the desktop is still processing. Okay, please wait until we can close it so that we can continue to the installation. Once closed, please make a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and click on settings. So you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Here, please navigate to the left side and please select for an option which is the Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, please look for printers and scanners, and from here click on add a device aligning to the added printer or scanner. So we just have to wait until this one would appear, which is the printer that I want is enlisted. Click on add manually and wait until a new window would appear where we can add a printer manually. So please click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of these three USB port. It could be 001, 002, or 003. In my case, I'll be using USB 001. Click on next again. Go with half disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file is being located at the desktop, then by that you need to proceed with the desktop and please scroll down, locate with the extracted file and select any of this one. So this all functions similarly. So all you need to do is you need to select any of this, click on open, go with OK, and it will be added here. Please click on next and you can rename that into 126a, then click on the next and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, it might take some time, but please be patient. So please allow for printer sharing. Click on next. And if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. In my case, I don't want to. That's why I'm gonna click with finish. So click on finished and there you have it. So that's it. It will be added here, which is the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M126a in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So by that, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.